Alright, we had to pull the whole plug out. We had to cut those two off. We're going to resolder them with new wires to put an extender. So now look at the wire there, it's much longer. So we had to take the little pin off the plug to actually repair it properly before we put it back in. Otherwise we can't just repair it outside because it's too short. So now we're back together. So now we're going to solder new wires to this one here to make it longer so it doesn't pull and break again in the future. Alright, so let's go back into here. Soldering on here, everything's apart here. So now there's the wire there, and there's the little green broken wire bit there. Alright, after this we're gonna peel all this insulation off to the bottom, solder new long wire, same color to this one here, and then we're gonna solder them back on to this one here.